Hello everyone, we are students from Madonna University and we are the members of course MGT 6950 Group A. For completing the comprehensive case project, we visited the site of Friends for Dearborn Animal Shelter on January the 31st and February the 1st. The animal shelter is a place for animals adoption and care center. In the following short file, our 8 group members is going to introduce themselves separately and talk about their most impressive stories to you.
Hi, I'm Sarah Lorian with Group A. This is my last semester at Madonna University. This video update is for a portion of Group A's capstone project. We met today, February 1st, with Elaine Green, the Executive Director for the Friends for the Dearborn Animal Shelter in Dearborn, Michigan. During our site visit, we had a tour of the facility along with a high-level overview of mission, their objectives, the strategic plans in place to meet those objectives. Some of the problems Group A anticipates having with the project are access to financials. The Dearborn Animal Shelter is a very small organization, and up until a few years ago, they weren't actually required to have their financials audited. So we're a little concerned about access to hard numbers.
Everyone, my name is Qipeng Yang. I came from China. My major is MBA International Business. This is my last semester in the Madonna University. For this group project, our group decided to use the organization named Friends for the Dearborn Animal Shelter for our topic. February 1st, our group made an appointment with the organization manager, Elena. And Elaine. This animal shelter have 17 years old history, and their mission focus on giving animals a home. The organization have a whole set of adoption. Adopter have to fill out some adopt form for a pet. The organization would consider a doctor's financial report and other basic report to match the right pet for adopter. The organization have 3 security levels for pets: green, yellow, and red. There are new 20,000 square feet building in the pipeline, and the organization try to help more animals. The organization prepared to adopt 150 cats and 150 dogs in the new building. Otherwise, the organization have some social activities, such as having education program with the university, animal training course for the adopter, animal medical service, and others. One of the most important points that Elaine impressed me, which is she said, "I think we are small, but we are not small forever."
Hello, I am a proud member of Group A. My name is Topeka Malone. We have 7 members in our group. We collaboratively decided to do our project on the Dearborn Animal Shelter. We had our first site visit today, this morning actually at 10 a.m. It went great. We were able to locate information. We met with Elaine Green, which was the executive director of the shelter. She gave us a site visit. She gave us vital information that's going to be very important to our project. The issues we may have gathering data is our hours. Everyone works and has different hours, so we will have to definitely come up with times that's suitable for everyone. But other than that, I really don't anticipate having many more issues than that. I look forward to this project, and we're going to do great.
Hello everyone, I'm Xinting Guo. The same as other friends and classmates, this is my last semester. We had several organizations to choose at the first time, and we all picked the Friends for Dearborn Animal Shelter. This is because we all love animals and want to help those poor little things. This shelter is actually running very healthily, not only for the organization, but also for animals and their adopters. It wants animals to be healthy and happy, and the adopters to find their match pets. But for the adoption part, there still are some problems that need to be solved. For example, Elaine mentioned that they used to let the adopters wait for 48 hours after paperwork to think if they really can do the adoption. So some may cancel the adoption when they come back, and some may go to another shelters and never come back. Therefore, the shelter now allows the adopters to take the pet back home immediately, which caused a high return rate. Some adopters find out the pet may not fit in their family, so they return them back to the shelters.
This is Chi Chen. Our non-profit organization is Friends for the Dearborn Animal Shelter. The Dearborn Animal Shelter is operated as a city service under the Police Department Ordnance Division. This is really good non-profit organization. They had already rescued several animals. They offer many services for people, such as adoption of pets to quality homes, returning lost pets with their owners, providing loving care for lost or unwanted animals, and they also assist pet owners. But we found that there's a lot of people in the shelter. I think that maybe lots of people think people is not so cute as other dogs. So I think the shelter, they need to solve this problem. They need to use media such as newspapers and videos to let people know that there are a lot of people at their shelter need to be adopted, and they also need to make people understand that people are very friendly dogs, and they are well trained, they are friendly to kids. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Minkalben Patel. I am from India and I am international student in Madonna University. My major is MBA and this is my last semester in Madonna University. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ke Xu. I'm an international student from China, and I have been in America for 3 years. This morning we took a shelter visit to Dearborn Animal Shelter, and I really learned a lot of things from there. The first thing leaves me a great impression is that they are doing very well in the last year and this year too. But they still have some problems, but they will move to a new location and a new building. This will solve them some problems. For example, they do not have enough space for the animals, but when they move to the new building, they may have enough space. The second thing leaves me a great impression is that their culture. All the employees and the volunteers all work like a family.
Hello everyone, my name is Hai Lu. I'm a Chinese student in MBA program at Madonna University. I visited animal shelter on January the 31st. The most impressive part I found is the professional care offered to the adopted animals. The staff making good food, warm quilt, and even toys to the dogs and cats. Also, puppies and kittens are living in the special rooms with special cares. I can see that this place is their sweet home. The animal shelter is not only providing the quality facilities, but also supporting medical treatment for sick and injured animals, so they can become adoptable for their new family. Furthermore, the animal shelter offers the training service for the animals. It is dedicated to rescue and protect the animals in the community while inspiring healthy relationships between people. In addition, the staff in the animal shelter takes the responsibility to protect the environment. They use the earth-friendly practice and facility in the operating process. I would like to say thank you for the people who provide extra care and adoptions for the animals. Thank you giving them a sweet home.